Good morning, master traders. Good morning, money magnets. The market has been bearish lately, and Uncle has been mentioning that as long as below the 50 daily moving average, we want to be bearish because there is no bull market that is below, that trades below the 50 daily moving average. So for me, my general lean was to remain bearish and watch out for those breakdowns of supports and false breakout setups because the market makers love to set traps. But what could have caused the market to be so bearish, right? It has to be more than a 50 daily moving average. Well, for all the folks that love to watch the news, today is the day, guys. Trump said 25% tariffs on Mexican and Canadian imports will start Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. And the market has been fearful leading up to this day. But now that the day is here, Uncle's very interested to see what happens next. And right now, guys, we are gapping down. The fear continues. And we got to be very careful here. It's one of those situations where there are rumors and news and a lot of manipulation that will be and can be taking place. So we got to stay sheepish no matter what. On principle, we got to remain loyal to the price action. The price action is our friend. All right. And it's going to show us the way. Right now, it has been looking bearish. Big body candle yesterday to the downside. It was an incredible move. But now we are gapping below a critical fib level here. 583.3 was that fib level, and we are attempting a gap down. If you are going to use the news to trade, in my opinion, you gotta combine it with price action. It's like when you use the RSI or any indicator, you gotta combine it with the price action. At this point, to be bullish, we'd have to hear Canada and Mexico make some type of deal to avoid tariffs or something with our president. Maybe something that'll cause some hope for the market to get the price to push back up. Okay? In other words, bulls at this point is going to need a catalyst. So watch out. If you're going to watch the news, watch out to see if a deal can be made or will be made that can help push the market up. And as far as using the price action, like I always say, if there is no false breakdown setup, you don't want to call a bottom. All right? So if there's a deal to be made and it's a good one, as far as the tariffs go, and we start getting bullish, you want to see 582 and 583.3 at this point recapture. And to really be bullish, we got to continue and keep going by clearing 585, 586.5, and another fib level at 588, which we lost yesterday. Recapturing those lost levels would help the bulls out. And at this point, some type of good news would help them out too. All right. But if we are below 583.3, I'm going to be bear biased. My general lean will be bearish. I have another resistance at 582 as well. And as far as support goes, 580 is support. Yesterday, it barely held as support. Can it hold again? If the answer is no, then we are dropping down lower. 578 would be the next target. I have a fib level around 575. Holy moly, donut shop. Can you guys imagine? If I zoom out here, this could, imagine this was a massive M pattern, guys. Imagine that. A massive M pattern. For that to come true, though, it would need to take out that 575 level. We got an M pattern here already. Looks like an M pattern here. Boom. and then down, and then up, and now we're going down. And this could possibly send SPY down. If this M pattern plays out and it has more downside, it could possibly send SPY down to 575-ish. But keep in mind, we have an even bigger M pattern when we zoom out. And below 575 would be extremely bearish, guys. Just based on the charts. Getting very close to that 200 daily moving average as well, guys. All right, so at this point, like I said, the bulls are going to need some type of catalyst combined with the price action of recapturing those levels that I mentioned. Otherwise, below 583.3, Unco will remain bearish. All right, so that's all I wanted to do this morning. Thank you guys for being here. Love y'all. Peace.